Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and you are watching the video Plants in My Balcony. As you can see, we are going to pot tomatoes today. Tomatoes is one of the favorite of all the people and we use it in different things, in soups, in salads, in curry preparation, everywhere. So tomato is a very important ingredient of our cuisines. So I'm planting this. It is a simple thing. You only have to take an organic tomato, slice it into thin slices, and then you have to keep it directly into a small planter so that it starts germinating. आपकी मर्जी है, दोनों तरीके से कर सकते हैं. या तो आप स्लाइसेस सीधे डाल दीजिए, वो भी बहुत इजीली प्रोपगेट हो जाते हैं, या फिर आप सीड्स लीजिए, पल्प को निकाल के सीड्स वॉश करके सीड्स को ड्राई करके आप तब भी डाल सकते हैं. इट्स कम्प्लीटली योर विश, बट मैं हमेशा सीडलिंग्स ऐसे ही जर्मिनेट करती हूँ बाय टोमेटो स्लाइसेस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस मैकेनिज्म जिसमें हमने टोमेटो को छोटे छोटे स्लाइसेस में, थिन स्लाइसेस में कट किया है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू पुट इट इनटू अ स्मॉल प्लांटर. It's a coco peat, maximum of coco peat planter, and I'm going to put 2 slices which have abundant amount of seeds into this planter, and we are going to keep it in a moist. Coco peat इसलिए मैं use करती हूँ क्योंकि it has a lot of moisture, it retains moisture for a long time and it helps the seeds to germinate better. So this is what we have done. So this is what we get, say about after 8 to 10 days. वैसे ही हमने slices डाले थे tomatoes के, ये आपको कुछ debris भी दिख जाएंगे tomato slices के same, and this have propagated so well. These are the seedlings which have germinated, and I have plenty of them, so I can grow a lot of plants of tomatoes if I want. So I'm going to now shift because I was looking for this weather which is appropriate for repotting, because it's otherwise the temperature is high. But today, because the weather conditions are very good and it is predicted कि rains हो जाएंगी 1-2 दिन के लिए, so I found this opportunity to repot my seedlings of tomatoes into bigger pots. So let's go about it. So this is what we have done now, transplanted many of the tomato seedlings into this, and let's see how many of it will be surviving. So we are going to cover it with the pot mix. Coco peat I have already added, and very important ingredient that I'm going to add a little bit of it, which helps in propagation of tomatoes very well, is Epsom salt. Some people do put Epsom salt when the plants are ready to flower, but I have seen that when you put it in the beginning, it grows very well. So not much, 1 or 2 pinch of Epsom salt while transplanting these into the potting mix, and this is how it will be ready for the harvest. Little amount of water we are going to add so they take the roots and the moisture is provided to them. I hope it is easy. Just take the organic tomatoes, do the slicing part, small planters में उसको germinate कर लीजिए. उसके बाद जब वो थोड़े से 8-10 days के हो जाएं, जब हम उनको germinate कर रहे हैं, तो हमें सीड्स को जर्मिनेट करने के लिए फुल सन में रखना पड़ता है. और इनफैक्ट ये हमेशा ध्यान रखें कि जिस चीज़ में आप जर्मिनेट करें, इट शुड बी मॉइस्ट. इसलिए मैं हमेशा एडवाइस करती हूँ मोर अमाउंट ऑफ कोकोपीट इन द सॉयल मिक्स. 80% कोकोपीट होता है जनरली मेरा, और 20% नॉर्मल सॉयल होती है जिसमें मैं जर्मिनेट करती हूँ. उससे जर्मिनेशन बहुत ईजिली हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ द मॉइस्ट कंडीशन. एंड देन स्मॉल प्लांटर्स विच हैव कम, उनको हमने एक बड़े पॉट में अब डाल दिया है. So if you like the video, do put in your suggestions, share, like, subscribe, and give your comments so that we can work upon them. Thank you so much for watching.